Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby questions why Congress, the single largest party in Manipur, was not given a chance to form the government. Joint Committee of CSO Summit Memorandum to Chief Minister Biren demanding clarification on interlocutor Arun Ravi's statement of April 26. SSUM and PFM Manipur accused Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh of safeguarding and accused of the Thanga gang rape case. And the Sadar District Sports Veteran Association condemns Manipur Veteran Football Association, renounces Challenge Cup football tournaments. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Usham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby has raised questions on how the single largest party, BJP, was invited to form the government in Karnataka when the Congress party, which was the single largest party in the 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly, was not invited to form the government. Speaking exclusively to Impact News, former Chief Minister and opposition leader Okrami Bobby further questioned if Karnataka and Manipur, the two states of the same country, have different rules of law. He maintains that a meeting with the governor in charge of the state will be held tomorrow and urged for the Congress to form the government. A report in this regard.
Aduna makoina pre-poll alliance tawdaba political party mayama kudakta khomjin naraga masing yami haidana governor na moida chance pigi base Karnataka gi model si hairagadi masigi ona tainabada Karnataka da piriba chance sumaina single largest han pigadabani haibata di why not in Manipur aduna koi hayeng si koi governor gi appointment lawga koi hayeng unagani Bharat haibasi Ain amakata Sanaba, Karnataka na ama, Manipur na ama, Sanaba Natabrina Karnataki, the test model say, Masi Manipur to apply to E. Aduna Makoina pre-poll alliance.
India ki huji oiriba political scenario osida Karnataka da single largest party oikiba BJP da lengak semnan nabaki damakta baton taukhraga karigi damakta Manipur da Goa da single largest party oikiba Congress da lengak semnan ba baton tokdriba karigino habisi matang da India apumagi mafam kaya da hojik akan khongjang Congress na changchinan ba sem sari Manipur da su Chief Minister oiramba Sri Ibobina luchingduna Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee na Manipur da Congress na luching malengak ama purna na ba akan makhongjang sanction na laknari hayengmak Manipuri governor unaduna haidiba wafam masmak thangatuna Manipur da Congress lengak purna na ba hotna gadauri Impact News ki damakta pawdam jariba camera person Bishorjit na mairapam ga loinana Okram Somendro Imphal
Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MPCC today strongly condemns that BJP, the single largest majority in Karnataka after failing to attain the magic number to attain an absolute majority, was still invited to form the government in Karnataka. MPCC further condemned the swearing invites to form government in the state of Meghalaya, Goa and Manipur. MPCC termed such acts undemocratic and unconstitutional. Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee staged a sit-in against the same in front of MPCC Bhavan, BT Road today. State executive members of MPCC, Mahila Congress, Youth Congress, NSUI Congress workers and supporters took part in the protest. Speaking to media persons, President of Mahila Congress Committee, Loitongbam Tilotama, stated that democracy has been sidelined in the country with BJP in power. She strongly condemned that BJP, which has failed to attain an absolute majority, was still invited to form the government in Karnataka, despite the claim for majority by the post-poll alliance of Congress and JDS, not to forget such similar incidents in the state of Manipur, Meghalaya and Goa.
Kawadassu thokiba thodokni masigi thodokse majority phangdaba BJP da sarkar semnanabagi damata kodong chaba pibase adu itaragadi handak Congress na Karnataka da di lead tawribani second chelibani Janata Dal ga punjallaga sarkar semjage haiba matamda aikoina strength su helibani aduga strength proof tawdriba miyoi kharabu BJP ki kanguni haidana makoina chief minister gi wasak lawraga hafta ama chance piraga horse trading ki type ta MLA mayam laina nabgi damta hafta ama chance piribra India democracy sibo totally shattered tawbiraga yamna dramatize oiba fibam da sanabirak pase masi laibak thibani tungda muhan thokan ningde haidana Congress karmi ekoina saida protest tawjabani.
A joint committee of UCM, Amuko, CCSK along with other civil society organizations in the state has submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Biren demanding clarification from the interlocutor of the framework agreement between NSC and IM and the Indian government R.N. Ravi on his previous statement regarding the establishment of a Pan-Naga body which appeared on national dailies The Indian Express on April 26. Speaking to media persons, Secretary General of UCM, Kurajam Athoba, maintains that the memorandum was submitted to the Chief Minister to get clarification on whether the anti-nationalistic statements made by R.N. Ravi was authorized by the Prime Minister. 12 representatives of UCM, Amuko and CCSK were allowed to meet the Chief Minister after the committee members were halted by police personnel at Nitepak Chutek.
Manipur Miyamgi, what Tandanam than a Karikum Makalam take a hen with Habak, Miami Yadaba, Poram the Tauroi Habsimana Hirakrabani, and a Queen Pishangiba, 6-point memorandum to the Yauriba, Manipurgi, territory Manunda, state a sig boundary Manunda Karikum Makalam Tagi, territorial council Nachingba, autonomous Naga cultural body Nachingba, Amta, the we are have a quite chapsana, quite Tamgrabani, Madu Haina, Aren Rabina, Midiagi Kutanga, Mahana, Manipurgi Miyamasivo. Signal Duna, Man of Hungary, Wafamase, Masequayam, Yaninde, other high policy, Prime Minister Dagi, Atuba, Shendorana Nabagi Warolse, Minister Kutang, the Pishan and Nabalakshani.
Socialist Students Union of Manipur and Rotarian Feminist Movement Manipur demanded BJP Manipur Pradesh to oust the party's Vice President M. Ashni Kumar from the party, alleging that he is protecting one of the accused involved in Thanga gang rape case. The organizations also demanded to expel an alleged rapist BJP MLA Sekmai Haikam Dingu from the party. Speaking to media persons at a press meet with the representatives of SSUM and POF, at SSUM's office in Kashampat, convener of SSUM Naurem Tanoranjan intimated that the organizations visited the victim's residence to investigate on Thanga rape case. He said investigation on the absconding accused out of the 5 rape accused, it was found that the absconding accused is a relative of Vice President BJP Manipur Pradesh M. Ashni Kumar. Tanoranjan disclosed that Ashni Kumar threatened the police not to arrest the absconding accused. He said the absconding accused is Haishna Abungo, 26 years, from Thanga Salam Lekai. It may be mentioned that Abungo, along with 4 others, abducted a minor girl reading in class 9 on February 13 in a van and sexually assaulted her. Representatives of SSUM and POFM also stated that unknown individuals threatened the victim's family on April 25. They also intimated that the girl along with her family members were threatened by showing a gun not to divulge the truth while they were at the court for the case hearing on April 26. On the other hand, Tanoranjan stated that SSUM will convene an all-political party meeting on May 20 to discuss on crime against women. He warned of intense agitation if the government does not produce the absconding culprit by May 20.
Huji fawa padana lairiba miwasi rep chathaba matamda ben thaukiba amadi nupi sibu aphapun chathabada chauna mating pangkiba miwi amani habasi imung manuki maikaidagi phangdorakle BJP gi state unit ki vice president oriba thangadagi M Ashni Kumar hairiba vice president asina maki maseni pa thoko maramna kangkhatuna thambadagi matamduda ayo oriba kesugi ayo pairiba Nimboi gangte asni kumana angang di pharagadi nangonda khudong charo habana leibadagi aiwona mu victim gi imung manungda ki halapodagi miui manga gi manungda amadi fadana huji fawbadum lei hori nakan amromda mu chekmai constituency gi MLA na su MLA si ju huji rapist gi kwathok thok pada chena bani haiduna wayan chathaduna lerebani masiju khoi handaki Manipur Building and Others Construction Workers Welfare Board ki chairperson oina hapak bachi tasena yamna lebak thiban.
People of Kundrakpam constituency continued their agitation against the government's decision to shift the construction of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang. The Joint Action Committee formed against the same staged a sit-in at Sagolmang Irema Market Shed today. The protesters held various placards that read, "There is no land controversy for construction of the hospital at Sagolmang. Do not incite people to stir up again," etc. Taking part in the sit-in, President of Kewa Purju Village Development Committee, Sapam Jatra, asserted that Sagolmang, located midway between Saikul and Kundrakpam constituencies, is an appropriate location for construction of the hospital. Mentioning that the foundation stone for construction of the hospital was laid at Sagolmang in 2011, Jatra lamented that the present government has sidelined the people's desire and decided to shift the hospital site. He maintains that if in case the construction site is shifted from Sagolmang, it would be the biggest plight ever to the people of both Saikul and Kundrakpam constituencies. Jatra urged to Chief Minister N. Biren-led BJP government to introspect on the matter and make known its decision to the public within a couple of days.
District Hospital asi Kendra niki Saikul amasung Kundrakpam Kendra sigi yamna maruoiba layeng sangni masi suwong hongbiganu masidaida honggiba tarabati yamna ningamdaba praja amoina aikoi Kendra sida leiriba miyamna ningamdaba sida afata haudi tholglabadi sarkarna daitu oibiu tunggi generation singi yengdana miyang mochina halba khoi atamaka torbasu pame praja gi piba 오리바 이카이 군마틱 자르바 시엠나 딜람부통 칸다베르가 ngasi hayengsida sagomangda sabinaba siembu bhakti tawjari.
Apunba Nupi Lubkhurai has extended support to the 36-hour statewide general strike from 5 a.m. of May 19 to 5 p.m. of May 20, called by the JSC against unnatural shifting of District Hospital Imphal East Sagolmang, demanding the government to revoke its decision to shift the construction of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang. Speaking to media persons at Sangeet Kala Sangam premises in Khurai Lamlong Bazar today, convener of Apunba Nupi Lubkhurai, Sinam Muktarei, stated that the organization condemned the decision to shift construction of the district hospital from Sagolmang, where the foundation stone for construction was already laid in 2011 and even the fencing has been started.
Sagolmanggi district hospital sabase mafam amada hongdokani haribase khoi yajaningde maramdi hayeng Sagolmang district hospital gi JSC na tawriba general strike asida akhoi Khurai Apunba Nupi Lup singna sagotjagani leiriba Khurai Apunba sita leiriba maira pabi khutingmakna su sagotkani Sagolmanggi
Paradise United Mentor Association Khabaishoi Komidog Karong in a press release has demanded the government not to shift the Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang. PUMA also stated that if the government does not revoke its decision, people of Khabaishoi Komidog will also support the 36-hour statewide general strike from May 19 to 20 called by JSC against unnatural shifting of District Hospital Imphal East Sagolmang. On the other hand, Senior Citizens Kundrakpam constituency has appealed to reduce the row over the shifting of Imphal East District Hospital from Sagolmang. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club, convener of Senior Citizens Kundrakpam constituency, Dr. Ketremeyum Kala, said a 9-member team including former Deputy Speaker Lairil Lakpam Lala held a meeting with Chief Minister Nongthongpam Biren around 11:30 a.m. today. He said the Chief Minister is aware of the difficulties and inconveniences facing the people of the constituency. He said Chief Minister Biren also assured them to initiate steps for the welfare of the constituency after resolving the land controversy. Former Deputy Speaker Lala intimated that the Chief Minister also asked them to meet the Health Minister and that the team will meet the Minister within 2 to 3 days, and as such appeals to people of Kundrakpum constituency to cool down their ongoing protest.
Mitra pirang tadana imai ben kayana wariba satra kayana satri kayana ahalaman kayana mipaidana irang tongnariba asi si minister na hena khangi nungaite mayamgi wariba se nungaite anninthina paudambiyu mateng pangba yaba pangge haidana asumaina takpirai imai bel isal ise mayam punamak kendra sigi sarang nariba mayam punamak kaitang taptharaga si minister busu saubiganu.
Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Governor in charge of Manipur, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, visiting Moreh for his maiden inspection of the Integrated Checkpost ICP and Indo-Myanmar border today. Keep watching Impact News.
The Mark Ice Code today is impossible without the guidance of COMET.
It is not possible without them.
I would like to thank COMET for helping me achieve what I have achieved.
Strategy, planning and the weekly examinations of COMET. One of the best coaching centers that provide a concrete foundation to the growing medical experience to a promising future.
Goods and Services Tax GST da register tawiraba taxpayer khuding makna matam chana GSTR 3B monthly return file tawiyu. Eprhagi GSTR 3B return file tawagi aroiba numiti lakliba May kitang kundani. Sale changdana return file tawnabagi damakta All Guwahati High Court Building North AOC Department gi Facilitation Center da lakpiduna return file tawiyu.
Kanganjariba Department of Taxes Government of Manipur.
Ahan boina iramdam da sajaba HDF ki ready-made door pangbiragani. Introductory price oina supna tagi lupa lising mari dagi hauna afaba quality amasung fazaraba design ki thong sinase Planet Interior da pangbigani. Ngasi magling sinbirao Planet Interior near Island Nissan Kanchipur.
India ki ahanba National Awardee Government of India na piba Silver Dew. Makhal suna leijare half liter 750 ml 1 liter 2 liter 5 liter and 20 liter jar as an distributor amadi akupa marol Loktak Industry Industrial State Takiel da contact tawiyu.
Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Governor in charge of Manipur, Professor Jagdish Mukhi, visited Moreh on his maiden inspection visit of the Integrated Checkpost ICP and Indo-Myanmar border today. The governor in charge, after reaching Moreh Trade Center around 11 this morning, inspected Integrated Checkpost Indo-Myanmar Friendship Bridge and Indo-Myanmar Friendship Gate number 2 near Indo-Myanmar border bridge. Later, Jagdish Mukhi held a meeting with members of several civil society organizations of Moreh and Border Trade Chamber of Commerce at the convention hall of the Trade Center and discussed issues facing the border area. The attendees at the meeting raised a trade import-export between India and Myanmar, the problems of unavailability of water, road condition and lack of infrastructure at Moreh Hospital to the governor in charge. Speaking to media persons, Professor Jagdish Mukhi said the integrated checkpost will facilitate Prime Minister's initiatives to strengthen ties between India and Myanmar. He said that the business transaction between the two countries will help in various fields.
म्यांमार और हिंदुस्तान के बीच दोस्ती की एक राह आगे देश के प्रधानमंत्री ने चलाई है। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है जो हमारे इंटीग्रेटेड कॉम्प्लेक्स बन रहे हैं इसके आने के पश्चात हमारा ट्रेड जो है म्यांमार के साथ बहुत अच्छा होगा और केवल ट्रेड नहीं बढ़ेगा, हमारे जो वासी हैं दोनों तरफ के उनके संबंध और मजबूत होंगे और उनके आने जाने में जो असुविधाएं हैं उनको हम समाप्त करेंगे। ये बात निश्चित है कि हमारा जो नए प्रोजेक्ट्स आए हैं आपके इस राज्य के लिए बहुत अच्छा बजट एलोकेट किया गया है रोड्स के लिए और रोड्स को पहली प्रायोरिटी देख करके डेवलप करने की हमने योजना बनाई है।
JSC against the 2013 successful constable written test candidate by rejected. In a press release, condemns the High Court of Manipur's order rejecting the successful candidates of written police constable recruitment examination 2013, whose viva votes were also conducted. The press release also informed that a meeting of the JSC to discuss the same will be held tomorrow at Manipur Press Club. Representatives of Patriotic Writers Forum Manipur who visited Tangbo village in Myanmar, where Lamyanmai Hijam Irawat breathed his last, expressed that majority of the Meitei population in Myanmar is currently residing at Tekshikong village. Speaking to media person, Secretary of the Forum, Rakesh Naurem, maintains that it is wrong to assume that there are no Meiteilon-speaking Manipuris in Myanmar, as every individual inhabiting the village spoke Meiteilon and followed the Meitei culture and tradition. The village, inhabited by around 230 people, has Meitei surnames including Naurem, Laishram, Sagolsem, Chingtham, Takhelambam and Pukuri Hongbam. The village reportedly came into existence more than 100 years ago. Manipur Pangal Protection Committee MPPC in a press release has appeals to the Muslims of the state to strictly follow the religious norms of Ramzan, the holy month of fasting for the Muslims. The Cultural Forum Manipur held its Diamond Jubilee Celebration cum Award Presentation and Felicitation Program at Chandrakriti Auditorium Palace Compound today. Speaking on the occasion, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joy Kumar expressed the needs to preserve the rich cultural heritage the state is endowed with and also to embrace the change brought to it through changing times. Speaking in the event, Arts and Culture Minister L. Jayanta Kumar stated that the Foundation for Film City Film and Television Institute to be constructed at Chinku in Kundrapam constituency will be laid shortly. Eminent personalities who have made an immense contributions in the field of arts, culture and literature were felicitated on the occasion. Literature enthusiasts and lovers of art and culture attended the event.
Jagoi Matadaro, she is a question equated labor society, equate philosophy, equate what aspect is being reflected. Equated how grow pastor, Aduda Quena glorified Torgama, Duida Quena, Soptuxega, Lengadu, Day. I should not come again. Any society, Masagi, my whole pastor that Madu glorified Madude that no idea that society is that society.
Samasagi, how did you live? Kamushli can come with the Budona. Lyric Papa Chang, novel, the poetry, the edition, Papa Chang will live a younger generation. Masida, Mangsi Lapadamotova, habitat. Particularly the younger generation, Madu tendency, we are Chang, Yawodom Tova, habitat. At the Eve of Capitalism, noise of them to Wadaga, Palpinava, Tagapinava, Session to Winava, Minimum Lapadom Tova, habitat. The Masidiki Pulaga, Karam, the second developed over again. The Karam Mo, the swing system rectified to the now it becomes our responsibility.
Manipur Secretariat Services Association Imphal headquarters in a press release informed that the association will be on its second half-day cease work strike with effect from May 23 till May 26 in demand for implementation of the 7th Central Pay Commission in the state. The association has urged the state government to fulfill their demand at the earliest. Now the sports news. Sadar Hills District Sports Veteran Association has strongly condemned the prejudiced attitude of Manipur Veteran Football Association. The association has resolved to permanently withdraw from the Challenge Cup football tournament organized by Manipur Veteran Football Association, including the executive members Sadar Hills in AMVSA. Speaking to media persons at Lamphel, President of Sadar Hills District Sports Veteran Association, Lunthang Haukip, explained that Manipur Veteran Football Association has disqualified a player of Sadar Hills Association in the semi-final match of the 20th Challenge Cup after being verified and permitted to play by AMVSA in the previous 5 matches. Lunthang Haukip strongly challenged the unjust and arbitrary decision of AMVSA and further warned to all players within Sadar Hill district not to participate in any of the upcoming matches.
Fazenda verification to air office bela singna league system da su marirak sane du dai dum thoye quarter final da su ekoi dum thoye ngasi ekoi semi final sanaba matam da opinion singna su complaint to banata ba 20 veteran sports association gi ma hoi gi office bela singna ahu batigi na hoina verification to chahi phai du nai hoina adum sana mene kargi damang na ngasi si phade haibra haina sanabagi du dai hoina play de gi hoina dum thukla ngasi thukbani si 20 landscape gi office bela sing si jam na mi chang mi khana yi Maramduna ekoi Sadar Hills District Sports Veteran Association na ngasidagi 20 Challenge Cup ekoi yauraroi habise ei phone.
Now before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Former Chief Minister Okrami Bobby questions why Congress, the single largest party in Manipur, was not given a chance to form the government. Joint Committee of CSO Summit Memorandum to Chief Minister Biren demanding clarification on interlocutor Arun Ravi's statement of April 26. SSUM and PFM Manipur accused Vice President of BJP Manipur Pradesh of safeguarding an accused of the Thanga gang rape case. And the Sadar Hills District Sports Veteran Association condemns Manipur Veteran Football Association, renounces Challenge Cup football tournaments.